t is equal to what? Pi cosine pi t.
2 cosine 2 pi cosine pi t. And negative pi sine pi.
Negative pi. We did a problem in AP Calculus that involved saying the letter C like 700 times, and it got really weird. You know, if a word loses its meaning after you say it so many times. So what should we find now? How about r prime of 0? What's that going to be? What's cosine of 0? So pi, 2 pi, and 0. And what else do we need to find at that point? R of 0. What is r of 0 going to be? It is? You sure? Yeah. 0, 0, 1. Okay, that's nice. So we have at the derivative at 0, where it is at 0. So how do we write the vector equation? Let's give it a name. What letter name do we want to give it? We can't just use r over and over again. V? So what's this one going to be? 0, 0, 1 plus t times pi, 2 pi, and 0. Okay, so there's the first one. So then we want r prime at what?
1/2.
A half. Luckily, is this set up to be a nice trig value? Yeah, what's cosine of pi over 2?
0.
So it's 0, negative what?
Pi.
Negative pi. And then r of a half is going to be what? What's sine of pi over 2?
1, 2, 0.
1, 2, 0. So we have our first one is, there's our first v. What do we want to label this one? How about q? Is that okay? I'm just giving it a name so we can have something to talk about other than the same thing over and over again. Equals, was it 1, 2, 0 plus t times what? 0, 0, negative pi. So we found the two. What are we actually trying to find? Where they what? Where they intersect, exactly. Now I have a question. These are parametric equations. They move at different times. Do we use the same? Do we call the parametric element t in both cases? What I'm saying is, for these two, is it asking when this like particle? No. So what does this become? What's the integral of 1 over u? ln u from 1 to 2. So this is 4 times tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of 0. What's tan of 0? 0, yeah. So you end up with 4. Does tan inverse of 1 have a nice value? Oh, the inverse of, oh, it's pi over 4, right? Ah, cool. Love it when that happens. Pi over 4 plus ln 2 minus ln, what is ln 1?
0.
So you end up with pi plus, that's a cool answer.
We need to write I and J and K.
Oh, yeah, you do. Thank you. So this is going to be, thank you. Absolutely. Does that seem okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks okay. Times, was it 10 to the 3 halves minus,
13.
we can leave it there. To the what?
13.
Oh, to the 3 halves right here? Yeah, that's right. Ooh, nice. It's a nice answer. But it's done. There's no way to nicely simplify that. That's fine. That's fine. What was the key step here? I don't think there was a key step other than just being careful.